So this is just a matter of clicking this download button over here, downloading this black and white image, or this one over here. You can right click save as, then come over to this website over here, and all you got to do is move your mouse across and it turns this old black and white image into color. And I'm going to show you how you can get paid $5 every time that you do this. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that some people have been using and that I actually saw online. They are making $5 to $10 every time they click on a few images, upload them like that, and just turn them to black and white, which is actually super powerful because there's a lot of people out there that take so much time to use Photoshop to do this kind of thing and don't realize that there's actually these tools online that literally take a few seconds to do this. Now, you can actually go and do this for people and get paid $5 over and over again, as it is a very powerful skill, as there's a lot of people out there that want to turn their old black and white images into new, more modern looking colored photos, but they just don't know where to look. And that's where we're going to come in and help and get paid money online for this. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software developer, and mentor from South Africa, documenting my journey on this channel on how to make money online. So if you want to get the latest tips, tricks, ways, and business models on how to make money online, definitely subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value pack video just like this one, so that you can be the first to that video, beat the competition, and make the most money online. And also on my second channel over here, Millionaire Mindset Plus, I'm actually doing a $10 giveaway in every single video, and I'm giving away courses, a whole bunch of resources in every single video. So if you really want to go and get a lot of value or stand a chance to win $10, head over to the first link in the description, which will take you to this video on my channel, my second channel, that explains how to enter the $10 giveaway and also announces the previous $10 giveaway winner. So if you want to go and do that, definitely go down below to the first link in the description so that you can get this giveaway. But without further ado, let's get straight into the first platform. Alright guys, so the first step is really easy. All you're going to do is come over to this website over here, pixabay.com, which is a free images and royalty free stock website where you can go get images and videos and use them as your own without any copyright issues. So what you need to do is on the search bar, we need to go and find anything in black and white. So let's just type here black and white, and we can click on enter and take a look at this. Let's, for example, go click on this photo over here. It's a little girl with a teddy in the middle of the road. So what we can do is we can go and download this to our PC. All you do is click on free download, select the 1920 by 288 resolution, click on download. Over here, all you do is just click on I'm not a robot, click on download again, and it will download to your PC just like this. Then the next step is really important. This is the tool that's going to do all of the hard work for us. We want to come over to this website over here called imagecolorizer.com. And all you do is click on upload file. You're going to select that picture that you've just downloaded of Pixabay or Pixels, and then you're going to wait for this to start. And then you're going to click on start over here. You can see it's going to be busy uploading. Won't take very long. And boom, as simple as that, click on the download button and you will see it's going to turn this picture into a perfectly new, more modern looking colored photo. You can see the gravel, the girl's shirt, all her hair, and the teddy's been colored and looks like a much more modern photo. And this is actually a very powerful skill to have, as a lot of people don't know how to do this, and a lot of people are paying a lot of money to convert these type of old photos into more new modern colored photos. Let's take another example. Let's go back to Pixabay and we go choose, for example, this one over here of this girl. Looks like she's sitting in a subway or something. Click on free download, exact same process. Download this to your PC. Once that's done, you're going to come back to this website, click on upload again, re-upload this picture, wait for this to go, you click on start, and that's it. Click on download and take a look at this. This is also a really good looking, now colorful picture that literally just took a few clicks of a button, less than even a minute, and this is exactly how we're going to get paid $5 per image that we go and change to color for this. And I actually want to show you guys a second way that you can actually go and use to make money online with this and kind of set up maybe 2 streams of income or double up your income with this. So what you can do is once you've downloaded these colorful photos again and you've converted them, you can actually come over to this website over here called remove image background. So what this does is, take a look at this. What it does is a lot of people want to remove the background of their photos to perhaps put in a different background to edit on Photoshop or play around with, whether it's for YouTube thumbnails or whatever it may be. And people are actually paying a lot of money for this as well. So you can see all this tool does is you upload your image and it removes the background like this. So what we can do is we can click on upload image. We want to choose, let's say, let me just quickly go and download this colorful image again. upload it over here, and let's click our photo, click on open, and take a look at this. And look at that, it's now removed the background and it's kept the little girl in the photo. And you can go and, for example, download this with a transparent background and put this or overlay this over another picture. So this is also a very difficult skill that a lot of people spend a lot of time doing in Photoshop, kind of cropping out each and every little line. It takes hours and hours of work, when there are, as a matter of fact, there's actually these tools online that literally do that same work that takes hours in Photoshop in just a few clicks and just a few seconds of work, because this time it's all automated by software and not manually by actually doing it by hand. And then the next step that I want to show you guys is how we're actually going to go and make money doing this. So first of all, that's colorizing our old photos and also the skill of removing the background. So now that you have these two skills to go make money online with, we can either go and execute them just like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Fiverr, and let's, for example, type in something like colorize. And Fiverr is basically a platform, for those of you who are new to Fiverr, a freelance marketplace where you can go and hire experts to perform different services or tasks for you, and like, for example, $5 or $10 to colorize old photos. So take a look at this. This person over here will restore, retouch, repair, and colorize your old photo. He's made $10 or making $10 per sale. This guy's making $20. He has $5. Okay, this guy traces videos. He doesn't really colorize them. This guy does color correction for $50, $35. $15. So there's not actually many gigs on recolorizing photos. There's a few, but most of them are quite expensive. So this is a good time to get into this. So what you do is you come in here, beat your competition, literally charge maybe $5 just to colorize photos like this. But the thing is, I would rather much have lots of $5 orders and only one or two, let's say $30 orders. So just to give you an example of what this guy has earned so far on 183 orders, that's the minimum. He's probably earned more than that, as remember, in order to leave a review, you need to have placed an order. So let's go 50, which is the price of his gig, multiplied by 183. He has so far made $9,150 off this gig. It could be more, because remember, usually only half the people that purchase off this gig don't even leave a review or comment. So this is just the minimum he has made off this gig so far. So there's a lot of money to be made here. But I mean, $50, since people are actually buying this, imagine you come in way cheaper at like $5 or $10 doing the same thing. They're rather obviously going to order from you. And let's take the other example. Let's go remove background. And what you can actually do is you can create two gigs at the same time. So check this out. Have a look at this. These people are again charging $5 to remove photos and or remove backgrounds of photos. So you can see over $10, $10, $5, $5, $25, $5, $5. So all between $5. So what you can do is you can come in at like $4 just to beat everybody else. And I mean, take a look at this. If I go 207 multiplied by $5,000, that's not bad at all for literally just clicking on a few buttons and removing a few backgrounds. That's what this guy has made over here, $1,000 off this gig so far, which is really not a bad side income. But what you can do is you can go and create two gigs in both removing background and colorizing photos, and kind of set up two streams of income for yourself through Fiverr. And I know before you're thinking, or before you want to click on this video, Fiverr is very difficult to rank for. You may be thinking that, but it's not really. All you got to do is just get a few people off your Facebook and Instagram to leave a positive review or comment on your gig, and then Fiverr will naturally rank that up. But what you can also do is come over to a website called People Per Hour, which is an alternative to Fiverr with less competition, and it's much easier to rank for. So we're just waiting for this to load, and let's go, for example, colorize. Let's click on search. Over here you can see the same thing: $15, $15, $40, $100, $10, $50 for colorizing photos. Take a look at that, $20. So you can come in here at like $10, $15, beat the competition, and again, much easier to rank for. You can see there's not that many gigs on here. Only 158 found, whereas with Fiverr, 37,000. So it's much easier to rank amongst 158 compared to 35 or 37,000. But what you also could do is come over to this website here called Quicken Gigs, which is very similar to that of Fiverr and very, very new. And you can actually type the same thing, and you want to create gigs on all these platforms and really put some effort into this. So if I click on colorize, take a look at this. There's only currently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 10 different gigs on this website, and it's so much easier to rank for. Yes, maybe this website is not as big, so you might not get as many orders, but if Quicken Gigs grows over time and you've already got your gigs on here, later on your gig could really blow up. Because if you focus on getting a gig ranked number 1 on, even if you work at it on getting ranked on the top page on Fiverr or even People Per Hour, you're pretty much set for this as your full-time job, because you're going to be getting lots of orders on a daily basis. And what you could also do is, I actually found this, you can actually go and create an Instagram page in the photo editing niche or backgrounds niche or photography niche, and kind of put like a link to your gig in your page bio. So you can go and build a page, you can go and repost content as long as you give them credit, or you want to take your own photos, you can go and build an Instagram page or any social media platform, and you can eventually promote your gig through like the bio, and you get some followers going, 1 or 2 orders. And if you work at this for just a couple of months, Fiverr is slowly but surely going to bump your gig up more and more, because you're getting more traffic to their website. It favors their algorithm. It's also a great way about going about this is using Instagram, building a page, getting some viral posts going, have a giveaway where people who could like share your posts, just focus on growing your page, get a lot of clicks. And this is something that will take a bit of time to take off. I mean, talking in big money, but in the beginning, you might only get 1 or 2 sales, start off small, but as you go beyond more and more and grow, you can actually make quite a bit of money from this. As this one guy, as I showed you, has already made 10 or nearly 5 figures. That's $10,000 off his gig. In my country, that's over 6 figures, which is huge money. But what I'm going to do is, actually on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to a playlist that is all about drop servicing high income skills off of Fiverr without actually doing the work yourself. So what you can go and do is, you can go and sell very high income skills such as coding, web development, technology, IT for hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and you can actually just drop service that off Fiverr, keep a ton of markup, and you're not even doing the hard work yourself. All you have to do is transfer the work of Fiverr to your client, and in this playlist I'll show you how to get tons of clients. This is what I do full-time off of YouTube, so you're definitely welcome to go check out this playlist. It's a great way to learn how to sell high income skills without actually doing the work yourself. But without further ado, I'll definitely see you there.